Hello. Hello, people. Guess it's time to continue where we left off. The comments system. Aye. So, I can't stream on Twitch because Twitch is down for some stupid reason. God damn it, Twitch. Improve yourself. Yo, Bad Tunes, what's up? How's it going? Are the tunes really that bad? Like, really? Really? Come on, give them a second chance. Alright. So. Uno momento. Okay. So, where did we leave off last time? I completely forgot. I am great, thank you. On this fine, cold Wednesday. The sky's pink right now. The London sky's pink. Because it's so cold, I think. I don't know. Is that how it works? Set the title of the report comment to mode. Okay, so yeah, there's this little thing I need to do before actually getting into the meat and potatoes of coding the comment system. So. Yeah, what are you up to today? What have you been? Did you go to school, work? How was life? What are we going to do today? We're going to code the comment system. So, not the comment system. I changed the name from comment system to review system. So it used to be called comment system. Basically, now the user is allowed to review levels. And the reviews will appear here in this like scroll view. And then you can write your own review, send it off. And then if you've sent one already, you can update your review. Yeah, nothing too fancy, you know. No like replies or anything. Just simple stuff, you know? For a simple man like myself. Yo, SCP! It's been a while. It's been a minute, man. I've forgotten the last time I streamed was, but happy to be back. It's been 3 days, to be honest. Alright, so when you report a comment, it needs to say report comment by and then the username. So, how are we going to pass in the username? Let's see. Review, level review, handle report click, handle flag button click. Okay, I'm going to extract that into its own function. Public void. How does it? Yeah, the Mario Maker one is when like the comments appear in the level, right? That's like a lot of effort, to be honest. Or is it? I don't know. I haven't played too much Mario Maker. How exactly does it work? My day is just fine, thank you very much, SCP. It's better now that I'm here coding with the lads. So public void activate report modal string custom title equals null. So we'll just put that here, and if custom title is not equal to null, we want to set the report modal dot text dot body text dot title equal to custom title. Simple as. But like, is the review or comment system in Mario Maker actually that good? Like, Like, do people use it to like look at what people said? You know what? Maybe we should do that. Fuck. Maybe I should go get my Switch and see how it's done in Mario Maker. There is a button, like you like it and dislike it in Mario Maker. I think this system should be nice in your game. Man, now that you say it, I'm kind of like, that might be good. Okay, let's see how it works. Whoa, read only? Oh, dot text. We'll just do this. Report, review, by, to do, username. Here we go. By username, and then put the dollar here. Report, review, by, etc. I'm gonna look up how Mario Maker does it. Why is VS Code always doing this? The tabs just move slightly. Handle, flag, button, click. Okay, let's see if it works. Game's going pretty well. I'm almost done the big main features I wanted to add, and then I can start actually doing gameplay, which will be incredibly fun. I've got this new setup, this standing desk. It's not really standing desk, but it's like something you put, some add-on you put on your desk that makes it a standing desk. Oh, why is it logged into the wrong account? Wait. That's concerning. It should have saved it. Wait, so if I exit and then enter again. Oh, it saved it. Okay, good. Okay, let me just see if the change I just made actually works. So you report a level by... Oh, by, okay. Mario Maker comment system. Is anyone else bummed out by the comment system in Mario Maker 2? I may be misremembering the original game, but if I recall correctly, you could give Yaz to the comments. Mario Maker 2 gives 0 feedback on your comments, so making drawings feel very unrewarding. Drawings? You can make it drawings? Further ease of the pre-made drawing stamps makes every popular levels flood with the same messages, so reading through comments become uninteresting as well. Am I unreasonable, or do you share my sentiment? To be honest, I could do the Mario Maker comments at another time. I don't think it's that important. I want to release the game. I want to stop like feature creep. So I think this comment system is like important enough and like good enough for now. And then on top of that, we can add like level specific like comments around the level. But let me just see how it works. YouTube writing comments Mario Maker 2. Okay.
It just says fuck. Like, no, Timmy's gonna pick up this game.
Yeah, wait, you're allowed to swear in the
Nintendo,
comments
you gotta do
in Mario Maker? That's pretty mad.
Someone just that said hi RT. Wait, no, it's like, okay, you want to talk about like fucking distracting gameplay? People like actually saying hi to me with text chat while I'm playing is really distracting. Just don't stop running. There was a pop-up and I tried to read it. Hello RT Game Crow. There's a different hey RT. There's just a Even if you've already read a message, it's like Nintendo wants you to know. Like,
so you could have
it's
drawings.
here.
That's
Like,
pretty insane.
why are they just
Or
cycling
stickers.
them? My most popular course in Super Mario Maker 1 Remastered. Are you ready to blast off?
So this is the page for a level. View comments. Oh, what happens if you click view comments? Interesting.
Oh, my man. Let's go. RT, you suck. RT. They're getting worse. I'm being fucking stalked. There's other people that must be playing these levels too now. It's like, Jesus, why do people keep saying hi, RT? Oh, he missed the fucking claw. The comments on like every single top level is just going to be like overrun with hi, RT as this stream goes on. Okay, Nintendo, you gotta do something here. Lil Timmy, who's like 5, might be playing this bike a lot. Oh, this is terrifying. This is fucking terrifying. Watch the pajama gift. People are just advertising their YouTube channels.
Oh my god.
I mean, like, this is like...
Okay, nah, this is too much effort to do, to be honest. So, yeah. Okay. We'll just finish off this thing. Did I just think of something? Set the title of the report comment modal to be report comment by X user. The title of the report comment modal to be report comment by X user. Oh, we've done that. Okay, I need to go quickly take a piss. I know I should have done this before the stream started, but I will be right back. Alright?
How exactly was I planning to use PlayFab in my game? Well, PlayFab has these 3 things I needed. Manage player accounts with email and password authentication, run custom server code via Azure Functions, and support file uploading directly from the player's device. If you're a software engineer, you will just love this insane story I'm about to tell you. Watch to the end. A while back, my friend and I made a portfolio generator website that converts your LinkedIn data into a beautiful, fully hosted portfolio webpage for you, all for free, no ads. Now you may be wondering, how in the bloody Torvalds could we afford to do this? Prepare to be left stunned. GitHub at the time had recently started offering unlimited GitHub action minutes for the price of completely free to all public repos. So we thought to ourselves, why not host our entire core backend server on GitHub Actions? So when you click that generate button to create your portfolio, a request gets sent to start a GitHub action that goes and builds and hosts your portfolio webpage. But Rethan, what about the hosting? GitHub Pages, a feature that automatically hosts the static files in your repo for free. So in our GitHub action, we use GitHub's API to create a new repo for your portfolio and then upload your generated portfolio static files to that repo. I fucking know, right? Cortosaurus.com. How are you going to implement such a profound and well-defined meme into your game? You don't want to ruin the meme. I need more inspiration.
Rethan, my son, you're in need of some inspiration.
Yes, God. Help me. Show me the way.
My son, don't quit now. Never give up on your dream. Pain is temporary. Quitting lasts forever. For to be free is not merely the fitness grab paces test is a multi-stage aerobic. You can literally just make a machine.
Oh, what a shame. Well, I guess you're gonna have to subscribe to find out what idea God comes up with for Uncanny Mr. Incredible when the full video comes out.
Most apps are just database front ends. Change my mind.
My actual day, more or less.
9:50 AM. Alarm. After I wake up, I join the stand-up meeting for my job. I am working on registering. Sleep for another 3 hours. 1 PM. Actually wake up this time. Start work for a few hours. When I get too hungry, I go get some food. 4 PM. Eat and watch YouTube. 4:21 PM. take a dump. 4:30, play some guitar. 5:16, play with the doggo. 5:30, make it vibey. 5:40, clock into the battle station. Get some tunes going. Write script for next video. 6:30, go gym. 7:30, get dinner. 7:45, eat.
Alright. I reckon we're ready to code at the back end. I think your current system will be good enough. Yeah. You know, this is just like, you know, feature creep, man. But I do kind of like that idea. But, like, I want to actually start making the game. Filling it out, you know? So we need an Azure function to write or update the review. And one to get the reviews. Okay, so we need 2 Azure functions. When the user clicks send, disable the send button and set the loading state of the existing reviews to loading. Then get the reviews again from scratch, and that should show the user's most recent review at the top. Yeah, okay. So let's first do the function of writing the comments. Right? Because you can't read comments without writing them. Am I right or am I right? So, what have we got to commit? Let's commit everything we need. Tweaks, whatever. And then here, the server. It's time to create a fair few couple of new functions, I reckon, you know. So let's create a function for, well, it's writing, so it's going to be publish, or so we're going to copy from publish. Actually, do we need to copy from publish? We probably don't, to be honest. Yeah, man, it's a huge to-do list. Oh my god, but like, look at all the stuff I've done already. And like, I've archived quite a lot of these columns already, so it's actually pretty good. Like, and this is just like for the main stuff. I also have another Trello for the memes, all the ideas of the memes. Hello, Firedix. How's it go? Firedix? Oh my god, what a name! All meme ideas I have in this one, and then I also have another board for the campaign. But campaign is a long-term thing. So, thank you. Have you seen my videos about the game, or is this the first time you've stumbled across this this hole that is Rethan? So, functions, new file, write, publish review, write review. Okay, good. You're one of us. One of us. Should I call it write review? Or... you have Big Chungus in your game. Oh, I want Big Chungus in my game. He's probably next. I think he'll be bouncing around, but he's not in my game just yet. But I want him in my game. Such an iconic meme, you know? I'm sick of hearing Knuckles. I should probably delete Knuckles from the default level, because it's always just like as soon as you start up. Okay, write review. Get level. Let's just copy one of these bad boys and paste them. What's the most recent function I've made? Get leaderboard chunk. That's not going to look similar to what we've got. Okay, fine. Get level is a pretty plain and simple function. A nice little blank canvas to start off on. Write review. And this is also going to be updating. Used for updating. So you can update a review. Let's plan it out a little bit. Write review. This function should handle both... oh my god, I can't spell. Writing and updating. Review. to be honest, just use the set with merge function. Hey, yo, what's up? Set with merge function in Firestore. Yo, write review. Okay. So now we need, okay, we also need a file for the model. Write review.cs. And we need a couple things, yeah? We need the request and the response. The day in the life was the first video. Interesting. Did you come from TikTok or did you just get recommended the video? Right, review, rec. Big Chungus should be like a big thump from Mario N64. What do you mean by that? Big thump. Oh, what? Wait, what? Is it like the... Oh, this... Yeah, he'll be similar, except he'll be bouncing around and crushing you. Oh, you found me on shorts. Pour after Peter. I have no idea what that means. You're gonna have to be just a tad more specific. Just a little inkling. So, write review rec. Write review res. The response needs the write review error. I response error. Yup. Oh, Tixer. Generic enum. Okay. Really? Oh yeah, this enum. PORN. Oh my god, you've done the Club Penguin workaround, the auto moderation system. You are a genius. Watch out, Club Penguin developers. Got a new boy in town. Can any of you code, by the way? I know, yo, you can't. An SCP, you can't, but... Any of y'all? So the response should send back... nothing, really. You're just writing it. And I believe in published level, the response also doesn't really send back anything other than... the error message. Oh, and the public level ID. Yeah, we don't really need anything in the response other than like whether it errored or not. Publish level ID. So in the request, publish level ID, yeah, it needs to send the publish level ID. Public string. Oh, we need to limit. Let's add a story. Limit the max length of a review, both client and server side. I don't know what the size should be. Guys, how big should we let the review be? I'm not entirely sure. Might be 10,000 characters, 5,000 characters. How big do YouTube make it? Public string, publish level ID, public string, review. We have the user ID. I believe that is it. That is all we need. It should be, at least. Let's just see. Let's have the page open just in case we need it. What's my favorite game type? Ooh, I like multiplayer games that you can play with your friends, either locally or online. Like Smash Bros. I love playing that with mates. Like Clash Royale, sometimes used to play that loads. Like games you can play with your friends, basically. But I also used to play a bunch of AAA games and Call of Duty, like competitive games like Call of Duty, FIFA. Okay, don't at me for saying FIFA's competitive, but you know, I used to play a lot of it back in the days. So don't at me, okay? Write review rec, write review res. So yeah, the review, the publish level ID, and I think that's all we need. I'm not gonna lie, I can't think of anything else that we'd need. The date published, we can We'll save the date the review was written. And the date. Date review last updated. In user data, add the review, the date, review, 69% charged on your phone. Nice. Nice. Look what you've made me do. I should just code like this. Maybe people will stay if I code like this. One on top of the other. Like so. What do you think of the new Rethan style? Alright, so in user data, add the review, the date the review was last updated. And do we need the date the review is created? And yeah, may as well. The date the review was created. Add review creation date to index exemptions. That is a different separate story. You're like a pro hacker. Nice. Good. This is what I'm trying to be. So okay, cool. So we need to update the... actually. Update level data. When the user, like, sends a, like or dislike to the level, it calls update level data. You know, I'm gonna play... No, never mind. Sorry. Sosms. This is kind of distracting, but I love it. No, I'm gonna push through. It's hurting my nose though. Oh, that's better. Update level data request. So where do we use this? Update level data. It's meant to be user level data, but you know, we get the point. Levels collection, level doc, user data. Yeah. Because in Firestore, each level has its own sub-collection for user data specific to that level. So here is where we will add. Actually, update level data. We could just use this existing function, to be honest. Why not? Why the fuck not? Honestly? Yeah, no. I've already written a function that updates the user level data, so I'm gonna do that. Do you watch movies? Yes. I recently watched this movie called Train to Busan. It's actually quite good. There's a lot of K-drama elements in it, which I didn't really like, kind of cringe. But like the overall movie was like very entertaining. It's about a zombie film. They turn to zombies on a train. What the fuck is that code? It is C#. I mean, I don't know why you're so surprised. It's just code is code at the end of the day, you know? Code do be like that in it. You know, that's for your old meme game, but oh, this is the server code. This is the server side that runs on Azure Functions. Yeah, that's why it doesn't look like normal Unity code. So I'm assuming you can code in Unity then. So yeah, so update level data is all we need to use, I think. We just pass the review, publish level ID, yeah, update action. Oh. should we make sure that the user has actually played the level before being allowed to write a review? Yeah, let's do that. Let's do that. Let me add it to the Trello. Make sure the user has actually played the level before letting them write a review. Block out the review text box if they haven't played yet and tell them they gotta play. Also check. Do we need to check on the server? Okay, I'm done with this. You know C# but you're 12. Oh, fair enough. The Rock sus. Yes, definitely. He's actually The Rock. I don't know if I can because, like, I don't want to get copyrighted, but you know. Should we do this check server side? Should we do this check server side? It's pretty good that you know C# and you're only 12. That's pretty impressive. Man, these Zoomers these days, they're just like, they're learning so fast. You can't keep up. How well do you know C#? Have you made any games before? Update level data request. Level data action. Maybe we could write review equals 3. There will be some new memes. Absolutely. Yes. Old memes, new memes. Big memes, small memes, all kinds of memes. You want to be a game developer? Nice. Do you know, like, about the industry? It's very hard work, but you get paid a lot, and it can be quite fun, but you have to work quite long hours, especially in big game dev, AAA games. Public string, temp uploaded. String review get set. Oh wow, you know a lot of languages. You've also made a game. Nice, wow. Are you 12 years old as well? Play, win, lose, review, and Inner World. Interesting. What's it about? What game have you made? Bad tunes as well. Okay, I don't know if it's a good idea to use the same system for reviews as we do for like likes, dislikes, etc. Nah, it is. Okay. I need to Damn, born in August 2010. That's insane. Man, I remember writing the date in one of my school assignments in 2010. Time flies. Alternative worlds where bad is good and good is bad. Oh, interesting. What are your plans on adding memes? So, as soon as I finish this comment system, I'm going to start adding the memes. And I have this whole list of meme ideas to add. And it's growing. And I have a whole Google Doc with all the memes since the beginning of time. Are you excited to see me adding memes? I feel like my content will just be so much better and more fun to watch when it gets to me adding memes. But I want to do all this like foundation stuff first, which I'm very, very nearly done. It is almost done. And then I will be able to do that. So review, play, win, lose, review. Okay. Review. Okay, cool. Let's delete this. Write review, model. So in here. Nope, we don't need write review anymore either. Move to trash. Update level data. Where is it? Update level data. Here we go. So, update level data. We need to switch on the thingy. Oh, if action. Okay, so if action is play, if action is win, if action is blah, if action is blee. Wait, this is all the way. Whoa, this is a huge else if. Okay, this function is huge, but I don't care. Else if action equals update level data action dot review. What are we going to do for the review stuff? Set async, merge all. Okay, perfect. So, user data doc. We need to update this. User data doc. To have a field for the rating. Sorry, the review. We'll do that here. Firestore property. Only when an action triggering an update level data code. It's fine, we could improve it in the future. Fair enough. Okay. Public string review. Get set. All this stuff. Client data. Yeah, okay, here's what we need for the client. String review. Get. Gonna create a channel. Do it. Polish channel. That's a good niche. Probably not a lot of Polish game dev channels. So, string review. Can this be null? No. Okay. Then we need to add this here. Public string review get set. And oh, it's the default Apple keyboard. But yeah, it's not one of those fancy mechanical gaming keyboard ones with the RGB light up. This is, I don't know, I like it. Because also my laptop's the same keyboard, and I like just having the same keyboard, and not having to switch. And also all those like fancy keyboards, they don't really work with all the shortcuts properly. Especially in Dvorak. Okay, so user level data, and then the user data, level data doc, okay. The review in iClient data, the user doc, we don't need that. Okay. I think we can continue coding it. So if the action is that, we want to set... Okay, first let's set the max length in the config. So max level, name length, max num levels can publish. Leaderboard, where am I going to put it? Max review length, why not? Public static int max review length. Max review length equals... how many characters does Twitter allow you to write? Twitter character limit. Marvel, yeah, I mean their films have become kind of shit these days. So we'll do 420 characters. How about that? Client side needs validation. I think we have it built into the text box thing, but I don't know. Maybe not. My favorite character? Iron Man. You know, I watched Morbius and I actually liked it. I think everyone just memed it too hard. I think it was actually a good film. And he's a cool character. Genesis Thor 300 TKL. Max review length 420. Okay. And we'll put that in the... Well, I'll do that later in the client. So I believe we just simply put... So if win isn't valid, throw a response. Oh, okay. So let's add to the error messages. If the review is too big, we want to send back that error message. So here, update level, data error, invalid win, review too long equals 3. Okay. So we'll do this in an if block. If something, then this. And that something is if the context.function_argument.review.length is greater than the config.level.max review length, then we just return this error. The error is the review too long. The error message is review too long. And then how about we give the max length? Max length is this, but provided length is this. Bad story. Do you think he's a bad story? I think it was just meme too hard, to be honest. And he's deaf. Well, yeah. Yeah, I mean, Iron Man is probably the coolest, to be honest. Like, he's legit, you know? What MacBook do I have? I have the M1 Max. 16-inch. It is so good. I have 2 copies of OBS, currently recording and streaming at 60 frames per second. And it's using... Each one is using about 5% of my CPU. Mad. Not a speck of lag. There's a bit of lag with the Windows stuff, but like moving windows around in between monitors. But that is because macOS needs to update their software. Anyway. Okay, so if this, then we just return straight away. Because there's an error. Right, I think that's safe to do. You know? But if that's not the case, whoa, end user message. Why? Okay. Okay, I need to put this there. Lol. Case publish level error. Oh, this is just using publish level error. Yeah, nah, that's fine. I can't be fucked to do a whole thing. You're gonna buy a game PC because MacBook is not good for MR. For you. For me. If you want a game, then fair enough, but otherwise, Mac is just great. Marvel can do better compared to Iron Man. Origin story. Iron Man origin story? Oh, what the... Yeah. Morbius versus Iron Man origin story. Yeah, Iron Man has the best origin story. Yeah, the origin story is fine, but the movie itself was good. But yeah, I think it's still pretty good compared to like other superheroes. Have you seen the new Doctor Strange? It's so bad. Oh my god, America Chavez, Jesus. Anyway, so if the review's too big, we return an error. Otherwise, we set the user data doc. User data doc.review equal to the context.function argument.review. Simple, simple, simple. Is that it? I believe so. Rating equals rating. Maybe we should check here if the user has actually played the level. Yeah. So we'll have another error. If the user datadoc.date last played equals null, then we also want to return an error. The error is going to be user has not played level equals 4. So yeah, the error is user has not played level. And then user has not played level. You've not, maybe you have not. You have not played the level. You must play the level before writing a review. The date last played equals null. Didn't watch Doctor Strange yet. Don't watch it. Waste of money. Then Shang-Chi, yeah, that was also pretty bad. Cyberpunk anime on Netflix. Nope. No. Anime is going to be too addictive. I'll waste too much time if I start watching anime. User data doc.review equals... Okay. So we have these two checks. If the review's too big, we return an error. If the date last played is null, you have not played the level, you must play the level before writing a review. Yeah. Okay. And then we just set the review equal to that. Oh, and then we want to set the user data doc.date. Date wrote the review, so we also need that. In the user level data doc, we want to add a field. Date. Date last wrote. Updated review. And maybe the date created the review. Do we even need the date they created the review? Yeah, in case we want to change the sort ordering down the line. Date created review. Yeah. And then we are going to save in the Firestore indexes, we're going to exempt it. Collection group, indexes, exemptions. Oh, field overrides. Levels, user data, scores. Oh, okay, cool. So just add this here, user data. Oh, no, what did I call it? Date created review. We want to exempt that from being indexed, so we save money. Yeah. Sounds good. Ah. Needs writing to score leaderboard collection. Okay, fair enough. Interesting. Okay. Creating a little 2D project. Oh, was the game before 3D? That's insane. You're only 12 and you're making 3D games. I remember trying to learn Unity when I was like 13 or 14. I was just like, oh my god, what is this? And I was just too dumb, so I ended up just doing a drag and drop game engine called Game Salad. But yeah, the fact that you're able to do this is... You must be smart. Are you good at maths? Do you get good grades in school? Are you like, is school too easy for you? Are you one of them ones? User data doc.date last updated review equals this. Date, time, offset now. And we only want to set the date created the review if the user data doc dot review equals null. So if there's currently no review, oh, we should do that before because it'll be set. So if the review is null, then we want to set the date created review equal to that. But if it's not null, then it doesn't make sense to set the date created review again because, well, they're not creating it, they just updated it. You started when you were 11. What was your first language or game? Was it Unity? Honestly, you should learn TypeScript if you can. TypeScript is bae. User data doc dot review equals this. User data doc dot last updated review equals that. I think that makes sense. Python, fair enough. That's everyone's first language. I don't like Python though, but fair enough. It is what it is. Okay, so the dates are all set, I believe. Yeah. And yeah. We should probably send... Do we need to send the date back to the client? Why would the client need the date of the review? They just wouldn't, would they? Oh. Oh, they might need it for paging. But then... No, that would be... Nah, that would be gotten in a separate Azure function, so that's fine. When do we call this get, or when do we call get level data? Do we call it on the page for the level? Level, let's see, play fab cloud script manager get level published level date. No, it's get user level level data. Do we ever get the level data? We must do. Client data. Do we have that in here? No, we don't. Time taken for high score. Level stats. Surely. I mean, I don't think so, because like the level itself doesn't have any user specific data, does it? Like personal to this current user. Yeah, I don't think it does. So I don't think we even have a function to get the data. But then why do I have this whole user client data? Where does that come into account? User level data here. Where do we use this? Get levels played by user. Ah. So it's in this get levels played by user, which we have a function for. Played by user. Okay, published by user. Okay. Did we need a separate function for this? I guess it was probably good practice too. And the last doc date last played. Pagination cursor info. Yeah, we'll just do that as well. Okay. That means we need to get the user level data. We actually might need another function. I think we need another Azure function to get the user's data for a level so we can show the review. It's crazy we don't have that already. I guess doing this, we may as well just have the... I guess we should also have the rating buttons on the level info page too then, since we now will have a way to restore. Yeah. User data, rating. Can also set the high score. We could also set the local level stats. We could actually, okay, wait. We could set to the server info. Actually, nah. But what we should do is show the server info if it exists. Otherwise, fall back to level stats. I thought we did this as well. So yeah, so where would we put the... So, put rating buttons on the level info page. Where do we put it? Where's a good place to put thumbs up, thumbs down? Maybe here? Yeah, I guess here would be good. Okay, firstly, these level reviews need to be way more translucent, the background, so you actually see what's behind. Maybe. Alright, let's try that. I should just go to the level page. We don't need data for now, to be perfectly frank. Level builder, level info menu. Yeah, let's see if that is good. Yeah. Yeah, you can see right through. And actually maybe the text should be slightly translucent as well, just in case. Level review. Right. That. Why did I give it a weird color? Oh well. That's good. And even the username. Why not? We don't want to hide anything on the level. No? And the high score. Slightly translucent. And the best time taken. Why not? I mean, it is what it is, right? It is what it is. Yeah, cool. Alrighty. So we're gonna put the rating buttons there. And oh yeah, I was gonna check, how does the local stats do it? When you show the level stats, load or default. Okay. Where do we use this? Oh, this is to get the level stats. Okay. So it's not getting it from the server. Level stats is used. Campaign manager. Oh, it gets it on init level stats.
Yo,
Oh,
back at it
Plushy
again.
Mold. Hello. Yo, back at it again with the white vans. Hello. Let's add your counter. Still my only donator. You've given me 13.64 quid. What a ledge. I'll give you another emoji for that. How about that? A random emoji. So, Plushy Mold, where are you? Is chat not working? Must be working. Hope it's working. Let's see. Is chat working? No, it is working. Okay. We need another Azure function to get the user's level data for a level so you can show the review. Oh yeah, where do we use level stats? That's what I was looking for. Campaign manager. Oh, it just gets the level stats. Okay, so get... Wait, hold on. Hold on. If we're getting the level stats when the game loads, then surely it'll be wrong when the player wins a level. Wait a goddamn second. If we're getting the level stats when the page loads, then when the only aim first loads, then surely it won't, the player wins a level. How? Test it. Okay, we need to test this. This might be a potential bug. So I'm going to test it. So if I do it in, let's say, your created levels. Oh my god, again!
Shout out to Daddy Barry lol.
Daddy Barry. Ooh, yes, Daddy Barry. Who's Daddy Barry? Daddy Barry. Shout out to. Okay. Plushy, how are you doing? It's been a long time. What was I doing? Oh yeah, the level stats. I must. Surely I didn't miss that. I can't be that stupid. Load or default. Init level stats. Really? It only gets called. No way. Okay, let's test it out on a level, right? Level builder, your created levels. This. Whatever. If I play the level.
Do you know the way?
Oh, it's not winnable. Okay, you know what? I'll just play one of the levels that actually is winnable. Favorite published levels. Level stats, jam shop, highest social credit is 0. Okay. So I'll play it and see if we can beat highest social credit. Oh, I got 0 again. Please load. Thank you very much. Great internet I've got. Oh, it goes to the leaderboards. Level stats, number of players for highest social credit. Time taken for highest social credit. Best time. Okay, we'll play again and try and beat the social credit this time. Try and not win the level straight away. No. Don't win. No. Oh, phew. Okay. Kill. Kill. Die. Okay, cool. I got 6. Now, will the level stats have updated itself? Was it 5 or 6 that I got? I guess it went down by 1. Okay, but it did update. So, oh, I guess level stats just because updated directly. We set to is dirty. The windscreen. Ah, that's. Ah, no, never mind. We just update the same level stats object in the game manager and we show the level stats from that. What did I just see? I just saw another issue potentially. Oh yeah, this 5 thing. I forgot. Oh yeah. Maybe it might be an issue to upload the level every time a player wins. Doesn't uploading cost more than downloading? Can't we just send that hash? I mean, that's way less secure. But it is the same concept. Ooh. But is it? It is the same concept. Or is it? Because the win verification checks the level that was in RAM as soon as they won. Or does it? Because there is a window of time there is time between them winning and them uploading. For a hacker to go and change the level in RAM. It also just takes so much time to upload. Win screen. Play fab. Update level data. Actually though, we're just uploading to PlayFab and then deleting it straight away. And PlayFab doesn't charge for bandwidth, does it? PlayFab file bandwidth cost. Let's see. No, I don't want to get started. File. Storage. Profile. You get 30 million writes. $7 per million writes. $1 per gigabyte. How much does PlayFab charge for file transfer? $7 per million writes. I think profile is the right one. Okay. Nah, to be honest, yeah. I mean, we're making enough money per sale of the game to probably cover the costs anyway. So, I guess it counts as a write to the profile. It's just Azure has to download the file. Another
You're
pound.
the top donor, lol.
Yes, you are the top donor. You're... Wow, I have to keep on updating this. 15.64 quid. Absolutely mad. Yeah, I think it'll be fine. I think it'll be fine, to be honest. If it's an issue, we can remove it, but uploading costs doesn't seem to cost anything with PlayFab. I think it just counts as a profile write or read. Okay, whatever. Okay, so yep, we figured this out. Just put that in the done column. Put the rating buttons on the level info page. Okay. Set the local stats from server if needed. Can see their stats when switching device. Actually nah. Don't bother. And actually from a different device it might be easier or harder depending. So yeah, so if they switch the device, then I think what happens is in the leaderboards they will show their server stats, but locally it'll start from scratch. Which, yeah, that's fine. So yeah, so we can have the rating buttons on the level info page. Only show them if the... I'll put it in the other card actually. Only show them if the user played the level. Alright. I think, yeah, having reviews is going to be really cool, because you go on a level and you just like scroll through and see all these funny meme messages, like, you're just like, oh, I want to play a level now, because this is what other people said. It'll be funny. How fast does it scroll? Hopefully not too fast. Yeah, that's a good scroll speed. Favorite levels. Report. Okay. Okay, cool. So what are we doing? Let's snap back to reality. This is done. So we need another function to get the user's data for a level so we can show the review. So I think all the writing stuff is done from the server, like writing to the server with the let's just see what we've done. Yeah. Yeah. Makes sense, makes sense, makes sense. Give us some more. So, is anybody free? Okay, so let's make the function to actually get the user's data for a level. And we'll call that when we click. I'm still in disbelief, to be honest. I'm still in level info. Or it's level preview. Play fab, get level. And then saved published levels, we upsert that. Set the level info menu.level preview data to that. That's mad. Okay. Fine. Fine. I'm gonna stop complaining like a little baby and actually make the goddamn function. Get user level data.cs. Get levels published. Wait, this also gets get levels played by a user. Oh, this is the one that gets to levels played by a user. Query res. 3 donations, yep, all from Plushie. He's my top donator. Absolute legend. How you doing, SCP? How's life? Update me. It's been a while. Collection group user data. Okay, so this function only gets the user data stuff. It doesn't actually get the level data. Okay. I don't think so. Wait, level doc. Get snapshot. Oh no, it does get the levels for each user. Okay, that makes sense. Get user level data. Get level played by user. Hello, Devless. Sam. Sam, yeah, I know, right? Thanks for pointing that out. Wait, you sent that message on Discord? That's crazy. I'm gonna add to the train. Add to the hype, Sam. Sam, boy. That's the new dam. Sam is the new dam. So get user level data. We'll just copy and paste this, to be honest. I'm gonna take a piss before doing this because I'm kind of scared and I need to think about it for a sec. So I will be right back.
Whoa, 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 whoa. What's that I hear you ask? How the frick is a forklift a meme? Well, my dear misinformed normie, when in doubt, go to knowyourmeme.com. Forklift memes refers to a set of ironic memes about forklifts and activities related to operating. Stop. Get off Know Your Meme. You are better than this. I scoured the web for the best cloud gaming service I could find and narrowed it down to 2 options, GameSparks by AWS and PlayFab by Microsoft Azure. Now normally I'd have slagged Microsoft the right off, seeing they've caused me so much pain in my life. But when I visited Amazon GameSpark's website, I was mortified. I was morbing. It looked like an absolute graveyard, and honestly, I got the impression that no one had maintained the thing for years. Just look at this forum post. There have been no SDK updates in ages. There is no support. This forum is dead, and there has been no communication from GameSparks pretty much since Amazon acquired them. So against all odds, I decided on Microsoft PlayFab. and plow through them like I plow through my miserable life just to wake up to the sweet, sweet sound of Susan Wojcicki giving it to me in orifices I do not approve of. Please like and subscribe.
Just hold it right there. I disagree with this judgment. Ugandan Knuckles was a shit meme. It paints the metaverse in a bleak light. I will have to proceed with the destruction of your game.
Oh, fuck. Actually, you know what? Okay. Buddy, you're just jealous that Ugandan Knuckles is a more widely acclaimed meme than you.
You're right.
Oh, it's okay there, little dude. I'll make it up to you. How's about I add you to meme game? Would you like that?
Yeah, I'd like that.
Yeah, you would. Now let's plan you out. What mechanism would you like for dealing damage to Memoring Man?
I want to crush that thing until he cannot breathe a last dying breath to say goodbye to his family. I want to...
Whoa there. Take a chill pill, Tat Boy. I hear you loud and clear. A damage dealing wheel? Easy. Hotel? Trivago.
Good to know life is going good. How's school? Back to school. Is it any fun? Made any new friends? Back to school is always fun. Going back after the next year. Everyone's changed over the summer. Okay. I was thinking about something, right? Since we will now already have the user level data, why not just restore the rating on the win and lose screen? Also, why not have the right review text box on the win lose page too? Yeah, may as well. I think it's good to have that. It's not a lot of extra work. Summer break was heaven. Oh man, I can imagine. Summer break in Greece. I met 2 people from Athens the other day. They were twins. And it was just interesting. They didn't look Greek at all, but yeah, they live in London now. I thought they were Russian from their accent, which is weird because normally I think Greek people are Spanish because they sound quite Spanish, but get user level data and function names. We need a new function name. Public const string this equals this. This is all the same, I think. Oh, we need a new new file. Get user level data.cs. What's your favorite subject at school, SCP? Also, this user data model. I'm still just in a bit of disbelief that I didn't have this function already. Get user level data. It seems so important. I guess we wouldn't have needed it anywhere, to be honest. User profile data. Yeah, we have one for that, but we don't have one for the user's level data. Like, okay, in the rating button, rate level. I mean, PE. Funny. You know, we all think school is hell, but we look back on it and it's just like, you know what? It's good that I learned all that. Just get, you know what? Just get the fucking, this is a life hack for school that no one ever told me. But when I finally started doing it, it literally made life so easy. Get the CGP revision guides, or like any like revision guides, like these like books that they're very thin. They just summarize the whole topic, everything you need, and they explain it so well, and they're actually like fun to read and like interesting, and they're not like, you know, some teacher telling you. And you just read that, like you're studying a topic in school. It takes like a month to do that topic. Usually that whole month is just like condensed and summarized into like 1 or 2 pages in these revision guide books, and you can just learn that. So when you know you're studying a topic, just read ahead. There's 2 pages. It's 2 pages, and school will be so easy. Oh no. My stream is frozen. Oh, it's frozen on such a funny picture of me. Lol. Why? Rip. Rip. Do I still have Wi-Fi connection?